What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in the 2017 Dodge Durango RT. This might apply to many different Durango models and possibly others with the Uconnect screen. If you'd like to adjust what's called hill assist, or if you'd like to enable it or disable it, if it's bothering you, you don't like it, or if you do want it, basically, even in an automatic transmission vehicle, if you have hill assist enabled, when you have your brakes applied, sitting on a on an incline, before you take off, so to speak, when your car's in drive, when you let off the brake, the car will hold itself steady for just a couple of moments, a couple of seconds, until you actually hit the throttle. So it prevents you from rolling backwards, basically, and it can be a handy feature for some people. Here's how you get to it. From your main screen, look for the settings button, which might be anywhere on your screen. Just look for settings. Go there, and then look for safety and driving assistance. You might have to move the arrow to scroll up or down to get to it. Hit that guy. Scroll down. The very bottom. Hill assist start, and just hit that check mark right there. I personally don't use that feature, but if you want it, that's how you would either turn it on or off. And then you can test it out when you're on a hill. It'll keep the vehicle from rolling backwards when you let off the brake. Pretty cool. Can be handy, especially if you're towing something, possibly something like that, or if you have a new driver and you don't want them to roll backwards and bump into someone. Anyway, if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. No matter if it's our video or any other monetized video, make sure you click that thanks button and shoot a little donation. We really appreciate it, because YouTube is completely free. So, be that guy and help out when a video helps you out or saves your life. And make sure you look for the social media links in our channel in this video, and we've got 2,000 videos on our channel relating to all kinds of stuff relating to motor vehicles and working around the house and all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.